Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be having another, more in-depth update about Hcmc Healthier Choices Management Corporation. And today we are going to be talking about the does anyone we're going to be answering this kind of a question. Anyone has the estimated on how much money Philip Morris will owe Hcmc if the Philip Morris loses the lawsuit, which I think that they will lose, and a lot of the people are hoping for that. The lawsuit for right now looks very promising, but we will see. Okay, we will see. Nothing is guaranteed into these markets as well as the lawsuit. Okay, so first of all, I'm also going to be giving you the update and the technical analysis, of course, the predictions and so on and so on. Some kinds of due diligence from some other people. I'm going to say my words on them, and so on and so on. Some words from me, and so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, does anyone have the estimate on how much money the Philip Morris will owe HMC if the Philip Morris loses? Then the other question will be, they assume that it will be a pretty big range based on the damage and royalties that Philip Morris kind of did for HMC that Philip Morris will have to pay out. Okay, and one person said right here, this is from Chick McDigwell. Okay, he said that Philip Morris has made over $2 billion last quarter based largely on the IQOs, and any fragment win for HMC will have to be worth several billion plus a licensing agreement going forward. A settlement might mean lower numbers but might also give profits going forward. HMC is on a good path. They are they are revenue positive per the last earnings, and um and a win plus licensing royalties here should send the stock price up. He said like thousands of percents, but HMC only hindrances really is the sheer number of outstanding shares. A court win or a settlement and a share buyback could really push the stock price somewhere into the silver coin range or so. And when he says silver coin range, he means from 5 cents to around 25 cents, okay, range. Okay, then one person right here said that we're going to be reading right now. He says his due diligence values HMC at a fair price of around 0.0032. Okay, right now we're at 0.309. He says at the current number of shares it is around 307 billion shares. If the patents it holds are valued around $1 billion, and its revenue from its other businesses stays at current levels of around $30 million. If shares decreased or revenue increases, the calculated price per share will increase, of course. He posted the diligence analysis in the Reddit group, and that it was not too long ago. And he's not an expert in all the good stuff. And a lot of people are agreeing with him. And one person said that we need to win large settlement with royalty stock buyback and reverse split. At $1 per share, almost 400 billion in the stock. There is no way the company can be valued at 400 billion. Needs to cut shares down to a reasonable number. It's it is diluted. I'm in for the long haul. Started buying 1 million increments at 0.0019 since then added over 15 million in shares on the way down to 0.307. He missed the 0.006. I mean, come on, it is hard. Some people, I mean, you can see some week right here that a lot of people did manage to get in that 0.304, but it is what it is with them. This is a beautiful for the people who did manage to do that. And he says that this is from Mr. Todd, TODD99 from Reddit. He says that I am a true believer, but too diluted with outstanding shares needs a overhaul and some good news with management diligence. Stock will go up in my opinion, but we will be capped at 10 at 1 cent or 0.10. Not bad in my analysis with what I can see. Okay, so it is what it is. And imagine we push to 10 cents. Okay, so let's just do a quick analysis on that and just a quick overview on that. So for example, first of all, we don't need that anymore right now. This can be huge, bro. I'm telling you from right now, the percentages will be huge. Okay, let's just say from 0.00. No, that is too small. let's just say from somewhere around here to right around 10 cents will be right around like, yeah, 5,000% or so. Yeah, like 5,000%. And just imagine how much that one like 5,000% is on your return on investment if you manage to put, like, let's just say for example, I know a lot of people do not have that like these huge amounts of money. Well, for example, you manage to put in like 300 bucks, let's just say 500. Okay, 500 bucks, and that's plus 5,000%. I mean, this is not true at all. You'll have like 25 from 25 $1,500 out of them, five like 50 500 bucks. Okay, and just keep in mind now a lot of people are buying millions and millions of shares, and right now you can probably buy like what, and the price that we're seeing at right now, you can easily buy how much, I mean, if you did the math, you can buy for right around, I don't know, bro. Yeah, right around like 100, 1,100, or like 1,000 bucks, like even lower than that. You can buy 1 million shares, and like for example, you have $1,000 plus 5,000% that we just had, that we just saw. This can easily be resulting in a price increase to around 51,000 out of $1,000. Okay, in the meantime, this is not true at all. I mean, not a lot of people will be investing right, like a lot of money right here, but it is possible. Okay, I'm not saying that it is not. It is possible, but we just gotta be realistic. Like a lot of people will agree with me, but a lot of people will not. It is always up to you. But I'm a huge believer in HCMC. Here are the earnings. Uh, the period. No, this does not show anything. Okay, this was on August 12th, but it is what it is. Also for the technical analysis, as you can see right here, when we just started the video right here, me I had a prediction right that we are about to push the downside around right around this area, and we are like really doing that for the past like what, 3 days. Yeah, 3 to 4 days we're doing that. We're moving in my prediction, but it is what it is. And we did also kind of was above this lower high for 2 whole days, but this did not meet my requirements for the third day, and it did fall back down. Okay, so we could have made it a new very high, but it is what it is. It never kind of happened. I'm not here to judge anyone or to kind of be mad about it, but it is what it is. And yeah, like that is about it for today's video. Just keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, and I know that you're gonna be tired of hearing this, but I'm not. Okay, I don't want you to listen to my advice because my advice is non-credit, and I could be wrong, I could not, but it is what it is. And if you want to watch more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, like consider doing that. It is always up to you if you want to do that. But I do videos every single day, and I'm sure you're gonna be keeping updated, guys. Okay, so peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.